Okay, so as we get into some of the specifics as where we're going to use this fat stick and for what, we're going to go ahead and address the hand and wrist. A lot of sports that have any club or racket, golf, tennis, baseball, a lot of sports where there's tension in the hand can create tons of stress and tight muscles throughout the hand. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at that. First, I'm going to take a little bit of the soothing balm. I'm going to apply it to the hand with the beveled edge. I'm going to move it around, get it covered. I'm going to turn it over, maybe get through with the round back, or even better, I'm going to use the round heel and get through the thumb. And I'm putting tension on my hand by opening up my fingers like this, and I have my wrist kind of cocked like that too. And I'm getting through the outside of the hand here, through the middle, the thumb. As I get through and get an idea of what's going on, I'm going to turn it sideways and kind of work in between each bone in the hand. And the frequency and pressure are really important here. So we have to keep some speed going. It's hard because it's such a small area and it's so round, but you have to keep speed going so that you're shaking tissue loose. Then when I'm done with that, I'm going to maybe even get in with the tapered tip a little bit, do some of the same stuff, maintaining speed, and I'm not pushing down a ton, but I am putting a little pressure on there. And then I'm going to turn it sideways like this and get real specifically right in between the hands if you can take it. You don't want to do anything that's painful or anything like that. Then I'm going to flip my hand over, do the same thing. Soothing balm, put it on with the tapered edge, get to the back of the wrist. I'm going to start with the rounded heel. I'm going to kind of open my hand up like this. You can kind of trace this thumb along here, use the heel just to get through like this. I'm going to cock my wrist like this and get through the back. And then as I get things loosened up, I can turn the tool around, use the tapered tip or tapered edge, and get through the same thing. The tapered tip really gets through some of the specific parts of the back of the wrist, just like this.